this video, you will learn about using the slicer to filter data. For this, first we have to insert slicer. So click anywhere in the table, go to the insert and select slicer. Select the field you want to display. Click OK. Use the slicer toolbar for formatting slicer and changing style. Select the slicer button and filter will be appear. For example, if I want to filter the data about Shenzhen, I will click Shenzhen, and as you can see, the data about Shenzhen has been filtered out. In order to remove the filter, clear filter. If I want to see that how many articles are from Spain, I click Spain. So the data about Spain has been filtered out. Clear filter. And if you want to delete the slicer, select and press delete. And you can also select and remove country. This was all about today's video. Hope this video is useful to you. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel.